The best drones for kids are built to be safe, easy to fly, and packed with fun features that spark creativity. With durable designs, simple controls, and kid-friendly functions like one-touch takeoff and landing, these drones make learning to fly both exciting and worry-free. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Neo Drone. The DJI Neo is primarily designed for taking selfies, which might be ideal for this generation of kids. For kids who might not want to commit to the hobby, or might be more careless with their stuff and break it, often the best drone is the cheapest drone. This one is ultra affordable at just $199. And that's not the only reason why Neo is amazing for kids. Among its best kid-friendly features are the fully enclosed propellers. That's good for flying indoors, as there's less risk of dinging up walls. It's also just good for flying around kids, where sharp objects don't make a great combination. One feature that may or may not work, depending on your kid's maturity level. This drone is supposed to launch from the palm of your hand, so be wary if you prefer your child to be far from flying objects. That said, this smart drone is safe to fly. It flies in pre-programmed paths based on your selfie mode of choice, say, the drone flying a circle around you. Number 2. DJI Flip Drone. Sure, it's completely reasonable to skip out on spending on a tech product for kids. But if you want the best for your kid, and maybe you want a drone you'd use yourself, then there's no better kid-friendly yet still ultra-high-quality drone than the DJI Flip. It takes a strong departure from DJI's usual drone design by way of fully enclosed propellers. That means not just propeller guards, but protection around the top and bottom of the propellers as well. The foldable, full-coverage propeller guards protect both young pilots and the drone itself from accidental damage, making it a stress-free option for parents. Its intuitive controls, including voice commands and smartphone operation, make flying easy and fun for kids, while the impressive camera quality is something even you as an adult will likely want to use for your own photos. Number 3. FLYVISTA E88 Drone. The kids' drone with camera is equipped with a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable camera lens to provide a wider field of view, allowing you to see the world from a bird's-eye view. With your phone/iPad connected to the drone Wi-Fi, you can watch the wonderful scenery in real time. In order to increase your flight time and get more fun, we upgraded the battery configuration. The small drone is equipped with three 1-800 mAh rechargeable batteries. Each battery provides approximately 10 minutes of flight time. In total 30 minutes endurance. The camera drone has user-friendly features that make it easy for kids or beginners to control. Just press the one-click takeoff/landing button to fly. Compared with other drones of the same type, we have added the bottom camera lens and optical flow positioning function, which allows the drone to maintain at a very stable altitude and easy to be controlled. Headless mode, emergency stop, and propeller guard all make it easy for beginners to control this drone. The mini drone can be controlled by a remote control or app. Multiple functions include one-click 360 degrees flips, 3 gear speeds adjustable, gravity sensing, gesture control photograph/video, path flight. These functions will provide you a fun and exciting flying experience. Number 4. Holystone HS-190 Drone. This drone features one-click takeoff/landing function, ensuring easy control, especially for kids who are not yet skilled. Also, its 3D flips function adds an extra layer of excitement to the flying experience for kids. The altitude hold function enables itself to hover at fixed height stably. Under headless mode, directions is always relative to where pilots face, offering carefree fly for kids, beginners, newbies, etc. HS-190 drone comes with 3 speed modes, low, medium, high, perfect for kids with different skill levels to have different flying experiences. Propellers are isolated by the protection guard, which protects kids from spinning propellers. Also, emergency stop function supports the drone immediately landing so that to reduce the risk of damage or injury. 2.04 foot asterisk 2.04 asterisk 1.18, easy to be folded into the controller and takes tiny space in your pocket or bag. Great idea to take it to the party, school, fishing, hiking, long journey, etc. Cool indoor-outdoor Christmas toy gift for boys, girls, and beginners. Number 5. Velcase S101 Drone. Equipped with an adjustable angle 1080p HD camera, this drone is capable of capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, recording your life's moments. Use the Velcase VGO app to connect and control the drone, and watch real-time video feed through FPV technology, allowing you to explore distant landscapes or capture unforgettable moments from the sky, then share them with your friends on social media. Photo/video with gestures automatically. Optical flow positioning, barometric altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, 3 speed modes, 1 key takeoff/landing/return/emergency stop, 360 degrees flips, trajectory flight, gesture photo/video, voice control, and low battery warning make it extremely beginner-friendly and suitable for kids. The operation is easy and fun. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced player, drone will provide you with a delightful flying adventure experience. The package includes a portable bag for convenient outdoor travel. Equipped with two 1050 mAh batteries, enjoy an extended flight time for up to 26 minutes of fun. It comes with remote control batteries, propeller guards, and spare fan blades, allowing you to fly right out of the box with safety assurance. The powerful motors ensure safe and reliable operation, with built-in overcurrent protection. Foldable body make the drone small and portable.